The sun is setting and it's so beautiful. I had no idea about the location we're gonna come to. Klara was planning today's trip. Wow, and it's so peaceful out. And look, Klara and Picnic went, because Picnic is obsessed with water. So Klara took him, even though it's like night already. They went to check out the water. We've been in Portugal for a while, but a lot was happening. We had some mechanical problems with Pichimishko. They are fixed, thankfully. And then we had to do the technical examination, inspection, like the yearly thing. And we did that too, so that's really great. Besides that, our families came to visit and we spent more than a week in Lisbon. So that was also a really nice experience and it was so nice to see them. And now we're kind of back to our routine, but not completely. At this point, I also want to mention that I started my Patreon account and I will be posting extra content there. So I would be super happy if you join. There are like different tiers and you can choose something that fits with your wishes. And you can also just support me with €2 per month just to support my free work that I do. And all my patrons will also find out where are we going for more than a month. We made a decision to do something differently, and yeah, I will share that there. And now I will log off. They are coming back and I think we're just gonna continue having a nice evening here until the night comes. So while I was editing this story, I realized that there's like a lot of shots and I just wanted to give you an insight of how our life in Portugal has been so far. We've been here for almost a month now, and as you could see in the videos, like we started somewhere south, but just visited one beach, which was Praia da Falecia. It was an amazing beach and we really enjoyed our time there. And then we actually did like a really quick move to Lisbon. We didn't go on the highway, we actually rode the regular roads, and the regional roads in Portugal are quite bad, so it was a very bumpy ride. And we spent, I think, 10 days in Lisbon. Our parents came to visit, as I showed you. And then after that, now we are back south. For anyone interested, check the Patreon. And so far, like, Portugal has been much more different in comparison to Spain regarding just it's a different world. Like, you can really feel that it's a different country. Even though I used to actually live in Portugal, I did my Erasmus here for 5 months. I can speak more about that if you are interested, but yeah, I did my Erasmus in Coimbra, and you know, I didn't know Spain at all, so I had nothing to compare it with. But when we started traveling, I thought, oh, it's, you know, Portugal, Spain, it's just gonna be very similar. I don't know if that was ignorant of me, but yeah, I had no idea. And now that we've spent some amount of time in both countries, I can clearly see the difference. So right now we are at the Portuguese countryside somewhere in south, and just the vibe, it's so interesting. It's like from another era. Regarding the camping, as you might know, I think it was last year, 2 years ago, Portugal became much more strict for campers. So we need to really be careful when we go out and try to just wild camp in places, because you can get really high fines. We are talking about 200-300 euros. And yes, some of you told me to make a video like compare Spain and Portugal regarding van life, so I might do that. But just to give you a heads up that we can really feel the difference. Like in Spain, it was completely okay to just park by the beach and sleep there, while here it's not that easy. Really not that easy. Yeah. Oh, and for the end, I wanted to share this shot with you. This is how it looks like when we empty the storage of our van. It looks nice now that it's cleaned. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be back with more Portuguese stories, and until then, have a great time. Bye!